Hello friends, today we will know home remedies to black and white hair. Cut the rich gourd and boil it in coconut oil, and when the rich gourd turns black, then filter it and fill it in a bottle. Apply this oil to the hair daily. Gradually the hair will start turning black. Sesame oil is good for hair. Also its consumption also benefits the hair a lot. If you include sesame in your food, then your hair will remain black and thick for a long time. Use chicakai powder or white shampoo to wash the hair. Boil 1 teaspoon of tea leaves in a cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Apply this mixture to the hair 1 hour before washing the hair. Do this before washing the hair. The hair will start turning black. Boil fresh amla in coconut oil so much that it turns black. Cool the mixture and apply it to the hair before sleeping at night and wash the hair in the morning. Grind ginger and add some honey to it to make a paste and apply it on your head. By adopting this remedy daily, white hair start turning black again. By applying mustard oil to hair daily, hair will always remain black. Boil sweet neem leaves in coconut oil till the leaves turn black. Apply this oil on the roots of hair with light hands. Hair will become thick and black. Drink gooseberry juice daily on an empty stomach. Hair will remain black for a long time. Soak dry gooseberry in water and make a paste. Add 1 teaspoon eucalyptus oil to this paste. Keep this mixture in an iron vessel for 1 night. In the morning, mix curd and lemon juice in it and apply it on hair. It will bring new life to the hair. By doing this for 15 days, white hair start turning black. Mix gooseberry juice, almond oil and lemon juice and apply it on the roots of hair. Hair will get shine and will not turn white. Applying aloe vera gel on hair also stops hair fall and does not turn gray quickly. Drinking a small amount of gooseberry juice every morning also keeps the hair black for a long time. If the hair turns grey at a young age, mix 1 gram of black pepper with a little curd and apply it on the head. This also gives a lot of benefits. Take cow milk butter and apply it on the roots of hair with light hands. You will soon start seeing benefits. You must have seen the elders of your house massaging the head with desi ghee. Desi ghee nourishes the scalp. By massaging the head with ghee daily, one can get rid of the problem of graying of hair. Mix 2 teaspoons of henna powder, 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 3 teaspoons of coffee, 2 teaspoons of basil powder, 3 teaspoons of mint paste and apply it on the hair. Shampoo after 3 hours. Hair that turns grey at a young age will turn black again. Mix henna powder with coconut oil and make a paste. Applying this paste on hair makes hair color attractive dark brown. Make powder of 200 grams of amla, 200 grams of ringraj, 200 grams of sugar candy, 200 grams of black sesame seeds and eat 10 grams of it daily. Hair that has turned grey at young age will turn black again. Use lemon water to wash hair. This makes hair naturally brown and does not turn white. Mix lemon juice and coconut oil and apply it regularly on hair roots. Hair turns black. Grind amla and mango kernels and apply it on hair. White hair will turn black. Using neem oil and rose petal oil on hair prevents hair from turning white. Extract onion juice and apply it on hair roots gently. Hair will start turning thick and black. By mixing lemon juice with amla powder or grinding fresh green amla and applying it on the head, the hair becomes thick and black. A mixture of honey and ginger juice prevents hair from turning grey. This should be applied to the hair 5 to 6 times a month. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to Dharni Ayurveda.